Good morning. It's day 2 of our party, and today I thought I'd feature some of our products as I make breakfast for my boys. So if you're like my family, we have bread all the time, all kinds of bread in the house, bagels, buns, and I find that sometimes I'll have like bits and bits of pieces of different kinds of bread. So here's what we're working with today. I've got 3 random cinnamon bagels. I've got 2 different kinds of hamburger buns, and some of these bagel thins we thought were a good idea, but nobody ended up eating, and so they are almost at the end of their life. So I thought I'd share with you a quick breakfast that I throw together for my family when I find that we have all these odds and ends of bread. So the first thing I do is I take all the bread and I just cut them into bite-sized chunks. And I've already talked about our knives, so you know how I feel about those. So I won't go into the knife situation, but I get all the bread into big chunks. So this is the 1 quart batter bowl. It's item number 2432 and is $15. And what I'm going to do, I've got some eggs in here, and I'm actually going to use our whipped cream maker, which is item number 1461 and is $27. And for this, you just put some heavy cream, some powdered sugar in, and then you pump it and you can make whipped cream. But what I'm going to do with it today, because I wanted to show as many items as I could in one video, is I'm going to put these eggs in here, and I'm going to use it instead of a whisk, just so I can show you the action, to scramble the eggs. So as you can see, now I've got some scrambled eggs there, and then I'm going to just pour it back into the batter bowl. Now, would it have been easier just to scramble the eggs in the batter bowl? Why, of course, and it would have been one less dish, but then I wouldn't have gotten to show you how the whipped cream maker works, because who wants whipped cream with breakfast? All right, so I've got, let me move my, all right, so we're a few steps ahead, and in my batter bowl, I've got those scrambled eggs, and then I used the Measure All cups. Now, the great thing about the Measure All cups, here's the 1 cup one I can show you. This is item 2236, and it's $8, and what I like about the Measure All cup is it measures the wet ingredients in the top, but then if you push it down, you can measure dry ingredients. And the nice thing about using this, I like using it when I'm measuring ketchup or barbecue sauce or sour cream. The nice thing is you scoop everything in there, level it off, and then you can push it and use your bench scraper, your mini scraper, or any one of these scrapers, and you can just get everything off the end. Now, these scrapers are great. They come in a lot of different sizes. This one is really good for getting that last little bit of peanut butter out of the jar, if you know what I mean. So I highly recommend you look into the scrapers. So I added about a cup of milk and the eggs and a ton of cinnamon, and I like using enough cinnamon so that it actually changes the color. And I saw too much egg there, so I'm gonna add a little bit more cinnamon to it. So what I've done is I've greased a baking pan, and I've put all those cut up pieces of the mixture of breads in, and I'm going to pour this custard right over everything. Here we go. Try and get all of it covered. Right. And then I'm just going to bake this in a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes, just enough for the custard to totally bake and the top gets nice and crusty, and you have a little French toast casserole for your family. Easy peasy, takes about 10 minutes to put together. If you have any questions about the products I used today or anything else in the catalog, the secret word today is batter. So just private message me that word batter for 20 extra tickets. Drop a GIF in the comment section on this video as well, and we'll get you 5 more. Have a great day.